For some reason, the battery kept going dead whenever we would leave the bus sitting, even for a week or two. So, figure there's something draining the battery. Not sure what, but I think it's maybe some sort of a trip alarm on the back door. Because even though the bus was off, the doors were left open several times, and I think that was draining the battery. So, came out today to start it up and just get it running again, and a really annoying alarm started going off, and it seems to be coming from the back door. As you can see, it's been kind of the impromptu camping spot lately, but go ahead and plug it in. So it sounds like this. Let's start the bus here. So yeah, super annoying. So then we had to figure out how to silence the alarm or get rid of it altogether. I mean, you don't need the emergency exit alarm on a converted bus RV. So Keith found the fuse, it looks like the fuse area for all of the alarms. So we're going to disable them by, I guess, taking them out, right? So, okay. Oh, I guess he needs a screwdriver. So on further thought, we were looking at the titles here on the fuse area. I don't know, fuse box. But it says left red, left amber, right red, right amber. So we're not sure if unhooking those will affect the turn signals and the brake lights. I'm thinking no, but we're going to have to see. And then also, it looks like Keith suspects that are you seeing it? This box here might be what needs to be unhooked, this wire here. He says it's making a buzzing sound when the back door is buzzing. So he's going to unhook that. Looks like just a screwdriver that needs to pop out, and see if that stops the alarm and keeps everything else functional. Cat has offered assistance as Keith rehooks the wire. Okay, let's see what he's doing. Whatever. Looks like he's just pushing the little things on there and then tightening the bolt. And he has unhooked that wire from the box. He says that the other wire that's connected there, you can see where it's bolted in, is a ground wire. So we will start the bus and see if the very annoying buzzing sound has disappeared. Hopefully once this is done also, we'll be able to keep the bus. We won't have to unplug the battery. We won't be losing battery charge when it's just sitting off. Keith is anxiously awaiting the bus to start. Hello! I hear no buzzing. We'll go to the back and make sure it's not buzzing. Oh, it is buzzing. It's still buzzing. Urgh. Interestingly, it's not buzzing. It's not buzzing. The look of disappointment, Keith. It's not buzzing from the back or from the front, but it's still buzzing from the back. So to be continued. He snuck to the back of the bus to unscrew the bolts off of the little box cover of the alarm, but I caught him in the act, so we can see what happens here. Do not get electrocuted, Keith.
It's only 12 volts.
So, what does that mean? It would only barely shock you, but not stop your heart?
Somebody already been in this. Get rid of the buzzer altogether. Now,
And so, he has spoken.
now we
Get
need
rid
to
of the
turn it
buzzer
off, see if the bus
altogether.
is going to start.
Okay. La la! Oh, and just an FYI, the plastic on the back window is for a little homemade projector screen. See the projector on the floor there? Camping perk in the bus during the conversion. Thanks for watching.